Okay, so this next video, what we'll do is look at adding more instruments. So let's do this from the very beginning. I'm going to go back to here. Okay, and we're going to create a brand new score here. Tutorial additional instruments. Okay, so now this time I want to have, let's say, a acoustic guitar, and I also want a electric bass, and I also want a cat meow. Okay, so now I have my acoustic guitar, my electric bass, and my cat meows. This right here is important. If it says use a tablature, if you don't know what tablature is, you want to turn that off, okay? And also in music class, most likely tablature is fine, but I'd also need you to make sure you're notating stuff out so you're understanding some of the harmony and melodic ideas that you're creating. So I'm creating this, and acoustic guitar, electric bass, cat meows. And as you see, when I click on the instruments, it brings me to the instrument settings, and I can rearrange. I think the cat meows will be the lead instrument. I'll put them on top. Electric bass is the lowest instrument. We'll put that on top. Acoustic guitar will be playing stuff in the middle. So we're good. Excellent. Okay. So let's input some notes from my acoustic guitar. I'm going to use some whole notes, and I'm going to use my piano just to make things quicker, but I could just type in the notes with my mouse here. So let's see here. Very nice. Okay, excellent. So I have my chords now for my acoustic guitar. Well, you know what? That didn't sound like an acoustic guitar, and that's because I need to switch this MIDI output back to none. Okay. Let's see here. There we go. So let me turn my piano off. Okay, that might have scared you. Sorry. Electric bass. Let's see if I remember what I did here. We'll do half notes for the electric bass. Keep it simple. What did I do? A B flat chord? Ooh, too low. Okay, so I made a mistake. Control Z or undo. Here we go. Okay, let's see here. There we go. Oh, see, I made another mistake. Another thing you can do is you can move with your cursors, and then just change it as you see fit. Oh, this is also handy. Is you see where it says whole note, then 1, and half, then 2, and so forth. Your 1, 2, 3, and 4 buttons on your computer keyboard will change the value of what you're doing, so that can be handy as well. All right, so we have that. I'm going to go to, let's see here, an F. Oops. And then go back to half notes, and we'll do, what did I do there? I did do a C, low C, and then I'll do an F, and then another C, and then we'll go to D, and A, and we'll go to, I guess, C again, and then G. Not sure how that'll work out. Oh, I didn't notice that last chord right there. Okay. Let me just delete that stuff. My bad. Okay, there we go. Now it's for the fun part, the melody. And notice I'm just clicking through and adding different things. So let's see what this sounds like. That does not sound like a cat. Well, that kind of does. I did all the wrong notes. Bear with me here. Okay, here we go. Sorry. This is ridiculous. Okay. Oops. That's a very low meow. Okay, let's take a listen to my song. I click back to the beginning, hit play. Oh, I didn't end it with the C. One sec. There we go. Let's listen to that last measure now. There we go. Now it sounds complete. All right, there's my song, Tutorial Additional Instruments by my electronic cat. I hope you enjoyed.